that to launch the beginning of this new park, we have a piece of music that is written to be performed on cars. And because we're in Houston, Texas, we're going to perform them on art cars. So here to present the it's called the Horn Concerto.
Do they have to test
It's by Stephen Montague, a really serious musician, believe it or not. He wrote this piece, and it's been performed in Houston twice. Performing it today for you are Ensemble from the University of Houston. They are real musicians, and you should go see them sometimes because they're fabulous. Their presence here today is sponsored by the Mitchell Center for Arts at the University of Houston. Here today also are Houston's art cars in advance of the Art Car Parade, which is on May 10th. Downtown Houston, don't miss it. Sponsored by the Orange Show Center for Visionary Art. All these great art car artists are here to share their cars with you, and conducting today, may I present to you the Art Guys. For 25 years, Houston has been the site of many pranks and wonderful works of art by these guys, Jack Massing, Michael Galbraith, and the Horn Concerto.